laws are going into effect today in the state of Minnesota.
One in particular is geared toward people with more than one DWI who are trying to obtain a standard driver's license. Our Leah Demery has been studying the new law. She's joining us now in our studio with all we need to know on this. Good morning, Aaliyah.
Good morning, Jess and Kelsey. Previously, if a person had received a DWI 10 years ago and repeated an offense, they would need to participate in the ignition interlock program, which is an alcohol breathalyzer attached to a car's ignition that needs to be passed in order to start your vehicle. Now, a new law has extended the time period of that, looking back to 20 years. Not only does this new law apply to repeated impaired driver offenders, but also those who commit criminal vehicular homicide or criminal vehicular operation. The license revocation period will be extended as well. Based on a person's offense, the new law will specify the time a person must participate in the program before receiving their license. Anyone driving a vehicle with a license that's been revoked for a DWI-related offense without the interlock device will receive a gross misdemeanor penalty. Mike Lee, a state patrol lieutenant, tells me he hopes this new law encourages people to drive sober.
We want to see a decrease, ideally a dramatic decrease in DWI arrests, because that shows that people are taking traffic safety, importantly, specifically related to DWI enforcement.
The purpose of the Ignition Interlock program is to monitor repeat impaired driving offenders. In Southeast Minnesota alone, there have been more than 1,100 DWI arrests and 107 alcohol-related crashes in 2025 so far. Lieutenant Lee says statewide, they've made about 26 more DWI arrests compared to last year. Some other laws going into effect today: farming vehicles and trash trucks can drive a little faster on the roads. Now they can reach 35 miles an hour compared to 30. Also, those looking to get a business license for adult entertainment businesses and massage parlors may have to perform a background check through their city or county. And another new law will allow some confidentiality for those involved in restorative justice programs who meet with victims of their crimes to talk about the impact of their offenses. To learn more details about these new laws that go in effect today, you can visit our website. Reporting live in studio, I'm Leah Demery, KTTC News.
Thanks, Aaliyah.